Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Valentine's Among Us character. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with our Valentine's Among Us imposter, we're going to begin right here in the middle of our paper. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve up, and then it's going to come back. So we're going to start here, just draw a little line that curves up, and then it's going to curve right around to here. Next, starting here, we're just going to bring this line down and connect it to there for the little face shield. Starting right about here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down. Then you just want to draw a line that's going to curve down here. Then bring it straight out like this. Starting right up here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come over, and then it's going to curve in to right about there. I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down like that. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and over. Then I'm going to bring this line up and over for the leg. And I'm actually going to make this line just a little bit longer. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. We're going to go over and then up right here. Starting here for that pack, we're going to draw a line that goes down, and it's going to curve in. Then I'm going to make another little line that goes down and then over. Now, starting in here, I'm going to add some teeth. So we're just going to add some little V's here and then some little triangle shapes right here. Now, we want to make that nice long tongue up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right in here. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up like this. And then I'm going to make another one right underneath it that does the same thing. And right here, I'm going to make a little line that just curls right to here. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve up and down to start a heart. Then I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to curl this around, and I'm going to bring it down. And then right here, we're just going to make a little line that just goes to here. Now, kind of lined up with here, I'm just going to make a little line that goes out, and then it's going to come back down. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Valentine's Among Us imposter. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.